Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Common Core Math Practice, grades 6 to 8. Today we will be focusing on area word problem. So let's jump into our first example. What is the area in square centimeters of the shaded part of the rectangle? The shaded part of the rectangle is this part right here. So the shaded part we notice is a triangle. It's a triangle. So the area of a triangle, A equals half base times height, or we could do base times height divided by 2. So we use any one of those formulas to find the area of the triangle. How do we know what is the base and what is the height? The base is the bottom part of the triangle. So the base is 8 centimeters. The height of a triangle is a straight line from the base to the apex, to the top of the triangle. So this 14 centimeter is the height. And because it is a part of a rectangle, we know that a rectangle has 4 square corners, 4 right angles. And because this is a right angle, this is a straight line from the base to the height, from the base to the top. So let's go ahead and plug in our measurements. Area equals half base, that is 8 times 14. Area equals half eight fours 32, 8 1 8, and 3 11, 112. So that is half 112, and half of 112 is 56. And if we use the formula base times height divided by 2, that would be 8 times 14 divided by 2, and 8 times 14, 112 divided by 2, and that gives us 56. So the area of the shaded part is 56 centimeters squared, or square centimeter. Second example, what is the area in square centimeters of the parallelogram? So we have a parallelogram, and a parallelogram is just like a rectangle pushed out of shape. And a rectangle, we know, has 2 sets of parallel lines. So we have a set of parallel line and a set of parallel line. A rectangle, so the parallelogram has the 2 sets of parallel lines. So how do we find the area of a parallelogram? And the area is equal to base times height. area, base, times height. So the base right here is a base, but we know that the opposite sides of a parallelogram or a rectangle pushed out of shape are equal. So this is 4.25 centimeters. So that means the base is 4.25 centimeter. So A equals 4.25 times height. In a rectangle, the height can be any side of the rectangle, because the rectangle has 4 straight lines which will form a right angle. But in the parallelogram, we can't just take the side for the height because this is slant. So what we do, we're going to draw this dotted line here shows the straight line from the base to the top. And here we have the straight line from the base to the top, and it is 2.8 centimeters. So even though we have this right here, it's not a straight line, so this is not the height. So don't be turned off by any measurement, anything that is there to distract you. Remember, when we read our problem, we're only concerned with what is going to help us to solve the problem. Whatever else is there, we don't need if it's not necessary. So we only need the base and the height. 2.8. So now we have our base and our height, and we're going to multiply 4.25 by 2.8. And when we multiply 4.25 by 2.8, we get 11. So we're going to multiply 425 by 28, and we will get 11,900. And then we have 3 decimal places. 1, 2, and 1 more makes 3. So we're going to start counting from the back. 1, 2, 3, and our decimal point will be right here. So our final answer, area equals 11.9. And we can leave off all those zeros, or we can include them if we want. So this is our final answer, 11.9 centimeters square. Next, what is the area of the shaded triangle? Already we know the area of a triangle. Area equals half base times height, and or base times height divided by 2. The base of the triangle, A equals half and the base is 12, and the height, a straight line from the base to the top, from the base to the top, and here we have a straight line from the base to the top. So the triangle, the height of the triangle is 8 feet. A straight line from the base to the top. You see these two? The one that we're trying to fix from the base to the top is parallel to this line right here, part of the rectangle. So we know this is also our base, our height right here is also 8 feet times 8. Area equals 12 times 8, 96. So it's half 96 and then half of 96. So the area is equal to 48. 48 feet square. That's our final answer. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. See you in the next one.